What up? So today I'm going to show you guys my new process and the new services I added to my freelancing website business using Hostinger. Hostinger is now my choice to host and buy domains from, is using Hostinger. It has proven to be an invaluable tool because it allows me to make websites a lot faster. It's introducing me to WordPress. It gives me a place to manage all the domains, all the websites in one spot. And they have awesome deals to do this. Now, I did a lot of research initially to find out which one made the most sense for me and my plans with my freelancing business. Now, as you can tell from here, you have several different options to pick a plan. I chose just regular web hosting, which you can see that they have multiple different ones. So these are your choices per month if you buy yearly. I chose the business web hosting and I paid for 2 years because it was extremely cheap. You can have 100 websites, daily backups, free email, CDN, all these different things. And you get WordPress involved with it. And it's all in one place, which makes everything so much easier. So I chose this. This is the business package that I chose to continue to grow my freelancing business. Because as I get more clients and I'm dealing with more stuff, I had to find better ways to make websites faster, be more organized, and offer new services. This is what I chose. So today I'm going to walk you through a very simple process of how I can build a website in a matter of minutes with a lot of drag and drop. I can also use WordPress, which I'm building some e-commerce with WordPress, so I can add more services into what I'm trying to do when I'm gaining customers. So now I can reach bigger customers because I can offer them e-commerce sites to sell their own product on their own website, and I can handle it all for them for a low fee. If I get bigger clients or I get more people that want my services, I can move up to Cloud Startup, which allows 300 websites. I don't plan on using the 100 websites for the one plan. I plan on doing like 10 and getting another one just because I want to make sure there's plenty of room for them to have traffic. It doesn't slow down their sites and I don't get a bad name. So ideally, I will stay between 10 and 15 clients per package, and I'll just grow more as I need to. And if I got to, I'll buy a whole nother hosting account on a different website. I just want to ensure that my clients have a good website that's reliable and fast all the time. Next up, I'm going to show you guys the easy process that I can use to build the website, which has been really, really nice, actually. Also, if you choose Hostinger as your choice for your business and freelancing or to host your own stuff, there's a link in the description that will give you 20% off what is already an extremely cheap service, and it's so valuable. So if you choose to use that, use the link in the description. It supports the channel. I'd appreciate it very much, and it saves you 20%. Let's go. Okay, so now we are at the website builder through Hostinger. Now, while I agree I've not used this one a whole lot, I have built a few websites for people, and they've been good. They're good enough for what we're trying to do with small businesses that doesn't need a whole lot of technical stuff. They don't need a whole lot of features. They just want people to be able to reach out to them, email them, call them, whatever. And this is the perfect thing for that. Now you have two options when you get here. You can do the AI website builder, which I find to work really well. You just have to move some stuff around. Sometimes it gets the sections in the wrong order that I would like them to be in. Or you can go down here to pre-made templates. Now they are pushing the AI builder, which I get it. But down here, you can pick whatever category you want. Any of these. All these different ones, right? And there's all kinds of different stuff. But let's keep this simple and let's do this. So we're going to select this one here. It just asks for a brand name. That's it. So what's the name? We'll call it Bobby J's Company, Bobby J's is a construction company. Now you can kind of put whatever you want in here. They want a description. I'm just doing this to show you guys how simple it is. So I just put whatever in here. Now you can go down, you can personalize it a little bit too. That way, when it builds out your website, it already makes it kind of personalized from what you put into that description package. Makes it so easy. It helps with SEO. It just helps because if you don't have an idea of what to build or what it should look like, boom, here you go. Now, this is just a template, right? And it built this for me that fast. Now, all I have to do is go through, I'm going to change logo. So we'll go up here to edit site. We can change the logo. We can change the pictures. And you can tell it's not perfect, but that's the reason that we're here, is to make it better. But all you got to do is go in and start type in whatever you want up here. With the pictures so easy. And it also gives you step-by-step in order to help you with making sure you have everything. You can do icons. Here's a picture, so we can, let's get rid of that. We can edit image, so you can upload your own images. So there is a brand part where you'll put your logo on there, but you can go on here and find free images and just look for anything. And this is powered by Upsplash, which is really good to get free stock images. I don't recommend using stock images, but sometimes you have to. The client doesn't have great pictures or they don't know what they're doing. I don't think you should use them, but they are good for filler for now. So I have one client that didn't have a whole lot of good pictures. We put a couple stock and a couple pictures that he already had. When he gets better pictures, I'm going to upload it for no cost because it's super easy for me to just go ahead and go in here and change it. But you can go up here and change the color. I mean, you can change so many. You can add elements through here. So let's say I wanted to add a button somewhere. I can just add it right here, drag it to wherever I want, and then make the button do whatever I want it to do. I don't want a button there. Come down here. You can do this. You can add all the pages you want. You can come down here and fix so down here, they did a lot on this one. Come down here. You can change the form in order to email them when they send it. I can make multiple pages. Now, the one thing I do notice with the drag and drop, it doesn't seem to be responsive for tablets. It only gives you like a computer and a phone. So I don't know exactly what that looks like. I haven't tested it much yet, but for most people, they're not really using tablets to look up construction people. But also, that's really why I don't use this a whole lot. I like to be able to have a lot of control of my websites. But it's good to know I can do this. Say you get a friend that wants a website, you don't want to spend a whole lot of time on it, you're doing it for free. This is a great way to do it. It gives you a setup checklist. I mean, it's so nice to do. You can change these around all you want, right? I can move all this stuff around. I can link to all their different social medias. I can add more pages, submits, everything. And then also another thing is at the bottom of the page, I always put Tech Dad Media on there and I link it to my business page where I'm generating traffic for my clients. And I put it on there. That way, if somebody comes to the website and they're like, ooh, I like this. It's simple. It's easy. Who made it? At the bottom. There you go. So yeah, that's it. Come up here, you hit connect domain. You can pick, they will give you a weird domain if you want, but you buy your own domain, which you can buy through Hostinger, connect it on here and you're ready to go. And you just hit go live and it's done. It's done. You fix this however you want. You drag stuff however you want. You add stuff. It is very, very simple and speeds up the process so much. Once again, if you guys are choosing to use Hostinger, there is a link in the description to save you 20%. It's already a super cheap price. And also, I found this tool so invaluable. I'm going to use it for WordPress mostly because I am now using WordPress sites and building e-commerce stores. I'm stepping my game up because as this freelance business grows, I want to keep growing with it. I want to offer more services. I want to do more things. This has all the solutions that I need to continue growing